What's up guys, Funtech here. As we all know that the powerhouse that is Samsung Galaxy S10 is upon us like a cloud, and this cloud of next level innovation is coming and it will rain hard on that big notch. So last time we talked about how Samsung will kill the notch by introducing the display that have a front camera embedded, and we all thought that this will not gonna happen till next 2 year, but it's happening by end of this year. Yeah, a phone called Galaxy A8s which Samsung has officially teased in China is coming really soon, and based on that we can pretty much say that it's official that the Samsung S10 will also have the next level huge innovation display front camera embedded inside. Along with that, S10 will going to be a true mega powerhouse because now we have more information about the specs and also about the new camera sensor. First up is the official stuff. The Samsung has now officially announced two new 0.8 micro image sensor. The GM1 has a resolution of 48 megapixels and GT1 has a resolution of 32 megapixels. Interesting thing here is that the reduced pixel size which will allow Samsung to have even more design flexibility and allow Samsung to make their phone more thinner to have that amazing bezel-less smartphone overall. Both of these two new sensors are based on the latest pixel isolation technology, the ISOCELL Plus. The smaller pixel size will give you a better low light performance as well as a much sharper image. Also, there is a new real-time HDR feature added to the GT1 sensor to deliver more balanced exposure, which are the color and the detail when taking selfies or recording videos, or when streaming live video content in low light situation you will get a great performance, so thanks to the new sensor. So Samsung GM1 and GT1 ISOCELL Plus bright sensors are expected to be a mass production in the fourth quarter of this year. So this means that they will be inside a Samsung Galaxy S10 camera. So with these sensors you are going to see a lot of improvement. In a case you don't know, that the 3 cameras on S10 Plus and 2 on S10 Lite, and it is to be the powerhouse of camera, and the smaller pixel size will help the camera to take sharper image even in a low light. So beside all of that, the Samsung has to improve the software game to get a maximum result from these two camera sensors. Like we have seen in the Google Pixel 3, with only a single camera they have achieved a lot by just working on their software technology, and they have taken a single camera game to a whole new level. As we know that the Google Pixel 3 is capable of capturing some nice low light shot, and that's what we want to see in Galaxy S10. So this was all about the Samsung Galaxy S10 upcoming camera information, and hope we have many more things to be coming as well. And sorry for so many days gaps, but I'm trying to be consistent, and you know it's hard to manage the YouTube with studies. So hope you have enjoyed my video, and don't forget to give your feedback in comment section, and please tell me if I am missing anything. And yeah, see you next time in next video. So till next time, peace out.